Hi, I'm Aristotelis Pitaridis. In this video, we are going to implement a one-to-many relationship example using Entity Framework in ASP.NET MVC. ASP.NET MVC handles automatically the one-to-many relationships that we may have in our models. In order to work properly, we have to define our models the right way. In order to create an example for one-to-many relationship, we will create two tables for departments and employees. One department may have many employees, but one employee may be member of only one department. We create a new class for the department model. The first property will be the department ID. The second property will be the department name. We create the second class for the employee model. The first property will be the employee ID. The next two properties will be the first and the last name of the employee. Finally, we have the department ID to which we are going to link the employee. The properties that we have created are not enough in order to let Entity Framework to help us with the data access. We have to create one extra property to each models so that the department will be able to give us a list of all the employees and the employee will give us an instance of the department. Let's start with the department. We add a virtual property which will store the list of the associated employees. By making the property virtual, we create the property for lazy loading, which means that the Entity Framework will load the data only when we try to access them. We do the same with the employee, with the difference that in this case we do not have a list but a single instance of the department. Now we create the controller and the views for the department model. We are going to use the existing MyDB context class that we created for the students model. We do the same thing for the employee model. Let's execute the application in order to see it in action. First, we visit the department controller and we add some departments. Now, if we go to Employee Controller and try to add a new employee, we will see that ASP.NET MVC identified the relationship between the two models, and it automatically displays the departments in a drop-down list so that we will select one of them. Let's add some employees and assign them a department.